Okay, finally, here we are. Disassembly of the Pratt Whitney Model B 12 by 30 lathe, part 1, removing tools and cleaning. So, we started I haven't started anything yet. So, I'm going to get all these tools off my tool holder. My collets off its holder. Get these trays cleared out. These chips cleaned up. I may rethink this whole drawbar storage situation. I mean, if I could get it to sit up there nice and level. I mean, it is a nice decorative holder there. And I made this one. I ordered this stock here, this from McMaster Car, and threaded that for the 5C collets to thread onto. And then this end here is also threaded. There's a Tommy bar. And there's my copper rod for poking stuff through. So, we get some of this stuff taken down. I did start removing some. I got my trays starting to get them cleaned out. And so the disassembly, we're going to start the tailstock, just removing it. Then we'll do the tool post, compound, the cross slide, the saddle, and then we will take off. At that point, we will take the apron off, and that'll all come off intact with these 3 bars. These will all just pull out of the gearbox, and these shafts and the apron will all come off as one assembly. Now I have prepared some space for putting this when I'm disassembling. So I have a nice clear space here. I may clean up some of the stuff down here and have some room down there. I'm thinking the apron might sit down there. We'll see. So I do have some, I am prepared for a place to put things. All right. Okay, little mail call. A nice, very generous gift. As in a brand new SanDisk memory card, 128 megabyte. And thank you, Tracy, very much. I appreciate it. I'm going to reuse your envelope, and I got some stickers and whatnot I'm going to be forwarding back to you. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, putting stuff away, storing it. We got all our tooling taken down, packed. It rings out double true. You gotta be careful how much you put in a box. This one here is a lot heavier than I anticipated. It's a 3D printed collet holder. I guess I should have 2 of those. It kind of just occurred to me that there was a solution. I have my 7/16 hex collet I just need to print another tray, or maybe a half a tray. So one more operation, possibly two, if I'm going to cut I think I'm thinking about cutting a 1/2 inch off the bottom of this tube. But we may just let that ride. But I do want to shorten up these threads. I think this is going to leave 4 threads, and I just don't know. I'm not fully convinced that's what I want to do yet, and maybe I should just wait. Usually when you screw something up here, so let's see here. So there's where we started. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's probably 4 turns, 4 complete turns to thread that on. There's 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I'd like to be able to do that with less. But you know what? We're going to leave that alone. There's I'll pick up my copper here. See, maybe I can catch it here. It drops off. Didn't get one. I did catch one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and continue breaking this down. We're going to take these 2 racks off. They hang on the T-slot back here, and go ahead and get those off. Probably going to take this reader off since it's having issues right now. Maybe not. It's not going to be in the way there. But we're definitely taking things apart. Here's a 3D printed tray. Nice little divider tray. Okay, we get all this put away. We need to get all this cleared out. We need to get all the chips vacuumed out of here. We need to drain the oil. Get everything wiped down. I don't think I'm going to clean anything as I'm taking it off. I may clean and lubricate things when I reassemble. But I think just leave the oil and lubrication that is on it now for its storage. Okay, we're getting ready to open up the oil. Finally get rid of the crazy plumbing system I put on there. I got a bag of cat litter ready. I got a little bit of pig mat. I've never ran any liquid into this chip pan before, and I put all this together, just kind of pressed everything in so nothing's glued. So I'm going to be able to just I might actually try to divert that over, maybe make a little less of a mess if I can divert that me go see what I have to do something like that. Okay, I got a piece of styrofoam in there, about 3/8 thick, and that'll do the job. And the first time I did this, there's video of it, I couldn't tell you where, but I wasn't expecting 2.5 gallons of oil to come out quite as fast as it did. So, let me go ahead and open this valve. And I'll just hope I can get around there and shut that off in time. So here comes the oil. Headstock and clutch. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Get back around here. Okay, we're looking good. I don't see anything leaking anywhere other than the spigot, let's call it. Okay. I'll let that get within an inch of that cutout. And I'm going to switch that top to a catering vegetable tray or something. Well, this is so much better than the first time I did this. I had a gallon of fluid on a flat concrete floor. Is quite surprising how much area it would cover. I should have stopped that a little sooner than there. But I'm very happy with this, so much so I'm not gonna stand for that to get on the bottom of my tray. Now let's hope that this tray does not have any leaks. And I should probably open up the clutch lid in case that's a vacuum or a vapor lock. I doubt it, but I'm going to pop this up and see if there's any change of flow. Okay, I got it vented. Okay, I'm happy about that. Next is going to be the aprons oil. And Well, that's it for part one. I told myself I have to stop, and I continued to keep doing stuff, but nothing you can really see. But yeah, like I said, I could do this 20 hours straight. So we'll leave the next video for the carriage cross slide mechanisms, possibly the apron, in which I hope to cover a little more in depth, so that someone else might see how I'm doing it and be able to do it themselves one day if they need the instruction. I need to get a backup battery, because I'm not gonna stop work waiting for a battery to charge. It's good to have a second battery. I had a second battery in the very near past, but obviously I threw it away or something. So, okay, guys, thanks for watching.